Delhi is touching 35 degrees Celsius. Summer has clearly arrived, but the air, that is still toxic. In the middle of March, Noida AQI has hit 355. Severe pollution right in the middle of summer. Winter was supposed to take the smog away, right? But that didn't happen. So the big question now, why is Delhi still choking even after the winter is over? Let's start with the biggest myth, that pollution is only a winter problem. Now, in winter, a weather phenomena called temperature inversion traps pollution near the ground. It's like a lid on a pot. Smoke, dust, vehicle emissions all get stuck close to the surface. We've done a previous video about this, so you can go and watch that. But in summer, that lid disappears. The air should clear out, yet pollution remains. Because the source, that never stops. Cars are still running, industries keep operating, coal plants keep burning, meaning crop burning and dropping of temperature does not create pollution. Human activity, your and my activity does. Summer also brings a new pollutant, ground level ozone. Now this forms when nitrogen oxides from vehicles actually reacts with chemicals in the air, and under strong sunlight, the hotter the day, the more ozone forms. The ozone exposure can trigger things like asthma, bronchitis, even lung damage. And then add to that the dust problem. In winter, construction is restricted, remember, or we would like to believe that it is curtailed. But in summer, those restrictions are lifted. Construction resumes, road dust rises, and PM10, that is really what is causing the spike in pollution. But this year, 2026, there's another factor that's making things worse. North India saw very little winter rain or even snowfall, leaving huge amounts of loose dust across the region. Strong winds lifted that dust into the air, and when wind slowed, that particulate matter actually, it remained suspended. And if you thought it was just Delhi NCR, think again, because the phenomenon remains the same even in Mumbai. A coastal city next to the Arabian Sea has seen pollution spiking, AQI touching 394 earlier this month. Tall buildings near the coast are blocking what is called the sea breeze, preventing pollution from dispersing. Now, just for perspective, even Tehran, after the recent oil depot literally on fire, is reporting AQI below 100. A country at war, in midst of bombing fumes, missile debris, even acid rain, is still cleaner than many Indian cities. So, here is the uncomfortable truth. India's pollution problem is no longer seasonal. Winter may trap the smog. Summer may change the pollutants, but the sources, vehicles, industries, coal, dust, that never really stops, which means the season may change, but pollution stays. And the real war you and I are fighting every day is actually with pollution. From the Health Wealth team, Sonal Mehrotra Kapoor.